Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Giorgiana and today I'm going to show you how to do a cut crease, but an easy one. As you can see, I have already done my base, more or less, my cheeks, my eyebrows, my lips a little bit, and I'm going to focus on my eyes. Okay, I'm going to start with this eye. I have to say that I have put some primer and as well I have put some concealer on top because I have a lot of veins and stains as well, so I tried to cover it. Okay, so I'm going to use the Naked Urban Heat Decay palette. Sorry. I'm going to start with Chaser, which is a very nice color, transition color. Okay, I'm going to take the same brush from the palette and I'm going to put it here on my crease. We are going to create a very nice shape, but we are going to use like 2 or 3 colors. I said it. I will start with this eye and this eye. Well, to do this technique, you have to have a lot of patience to build up all the colors. Okay, on the other eye. You always have to take off all the excess. I put it on my back of my hand, okay? Okay, now I'm going to go with the next color, which is called Low Blau. This is more intense. But as I said before, I want to go little by little. Okay, can you see? Now I'm going to take this part of the brush. It's from the same palette. It is called the Naked Heat. Good. Now I'm going to take a little bit more and put it here on the corner. It's the same last color that I have used. It is called Low Blau. Now I'm going to take an intense color and I'm going to use this palette from Charlotte Tilbury. It is called Pilow and I'm going to use this dark brown from here, okay, with the same brush, and I'm going to put it here on the corner of my eyelid. Now I'm going to take this and try to okay, now I'm going to take another color, but I'm going to switch the brush and I'm going to take this one, which is more pointy, and I'm going to take the color Cayenne from my Naked Palette Heat. Can you see that it's darker? It's the darkest one that I have used. I'm going to put it here on the corner of my eyelid. Okay, now we need a flat brush, this one. This is for the lips, but I'm going to use it because I'm going to use the concealer, and I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on the back of my hand, and take this small brush, and I'm going to use it. I'm going to put here. Can you see? This is quite difficult, guys, okay? I have done it already more times, but the problem is that you have to be careful when you put the concealer on, okay? So I'm going to put a little bit here, but be careful not to stain your eyelashes, okay? So I'm going to look directly, and I'm going to put it here. Can you see? Now I'm going to do like this. And I'm going to see where my oh my god, this concealer is really... I'm going to go with this concealer more or less until here. Can you see? No, more. If you have a smaller brush, do it with a smaller one. Okay? Okay, on top I'm going to put some powder to set off, and I'm going to use this. Okay, and now I'm going to take a color from this Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm going to mix this one with this one. It has to be a glittery one to pop out the color of your eye. I'm going to use, let's see, this brush, okay? And now, the brush that I have used to put the transition color, I'm going to take it and try to blend a little bit with that color to make it not so harsh. Okay? And now I'm going to take this color, I mean the glittery one, can you see it? And with my finger, put it on top. To look more shimmery, okay? Can you see it? Okay, now I'm going to take again the same color that I have used to do the transition and try to emphasize this a little bit more. Can you see? And of course, I'm going to take a pencil brush like this one and take the same color of the transition to put it underneath my eye, on my bottom eyelid here. I'm using the same colors. Firstly, I'm going to use the sausage color, and therefore the low blow okay, I'm going to take Cayenne more with the same brush that I have used at the beginning, because I want to put it here on the corner of my eye. Don't worry about the fallout, you can always clean them with the concealer, okay? Okay, good. Now the next step is to do a bit of eyeliner. I'm going to use this one, Tattoo Liner from Maybelline. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. I'm going to use a mascara. I'm going to use this Monsieur Big. I'm going to use this mascara on top. I love Extreme from Essence. This is one of my favorite ones. The problem is that now my eye is watering. I hate when it happens. I have put some individual lashes, as you can see, in the corner of the eyes. I have put like three and three, and I'm going to show you the ones that I have used. I have used this one. These are from Aliexpress, and I put some mascara on top. So yes, this is the final result. What do you think, guys? I suppose, well, there's something that I didn't do it, so I'm going to do it now with you. I'm going to take this brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to take the Naked Urban Decay Heat, and I'm going to take Queen's color. And put it a little bit here and here. Now I have finished. I have really finished. There are always things that you can improve. Okay guys, this is the final result. I hope that you have enjoyed. As you can see, it's not very difficult to do, although you have more steps to do. If you have patience, you can achieve it. So thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And I wanted to tell you that the base that I did is from a video that I have, and where I show you how to do the base, okay, the foundation base. And I have used this True Skin from Catrice and the beauty blender, okay, to apply it. The final result, and I quite like it. I think that I'm going to do more of these kinds of tutorial, because this is for me like challenging as well. You can learn from me, and yes, I have enjoyed a lot. So you can find me on my social media. I'm going to link here all the details, and thank you again for watching it. Goodbye guys, have a very nice day. Bye bye.